What used to require scraping scripts, infrastructure, and maintenance is now a 2-minute browser setup for non-technical users and a scalable API for developers. Let's use Minexa.ai to scrape the healthcare facilities list easily. Browse to the page. Minexa adapts to any dynamic site. Click the extension, no setup, no forms, just open it, and Minexa starts working. Press the button so Minexa reads the page structure. It detects whether results use pagination, infinite scroll, or a load more system automatically. Full dataset coverage is set. Minexa identified how the site pages through results and will follow it every time. Decide whether the items on the results page are enough, or whether Minexa should also click into each row and scrape its individual page. Click Continue if the data is already fully visible. Advanced mode lets you define steps like clicks or filters before extraction begins. The section Minexa highlighted is the main block holding your data. Confirming it ensures the same columns are extracted consistently across every future run. All fields are listed here, including hidden HTML data. Select the ones that matter to you, like hospital names, addresses, and contact details for your healthcare facilities list. Click API Request to get Python code that returns structured progress and error details so you can handle them in your own application. Same result every time. Click Complete Configuration, and your scraper will return consistent data on every run. Your scraper is set to go beyond page 1. All pages will be collected automatically on every run. One click, and your scraper is live. If you want data on a schedule, set the frequency here before confirming. Click Run. Each field is pulled from its exact DOM-mapped selector, ensuring consistent column-level extraction across every page. Alongside the visible fields you see here, hidden data came through too. Attributes, image URLs, and nested structures are included and returned in a format that preserves how they were originally connected on the page. Typical data points include facility names, addresses, phone numbers, and licensing details. Download your data. Missing fields show as blank, so only real values from the page appear in the file. Every value comes directly from the page. No interpretation, no guessing, just structured data exactly as it exists on the site.